When it comes to enhancing the aesthetic appeal, functionality, and energy efficiency of your home in Clearwater, the type of windows you choose plays a significant role. Among the various window styles available, slider windows stand out as an excellent choice for many homeowners in this sunny and coastal region. Not only do they offer a sleek and modern look, but they also provide several practical benefits that can improve the comfort, security, and energy efficiency of your home. In this article, we'll explore the benefits and features of slider windows, and why they're the perfect option for Clearwater homes. Sleek, contemporary aesthetic. Slider windows offer a modern, streamlined look that complements a variety of home styles, from traditional to contemporary. The window's sleek, horizontal design is particularly well suited for homes with large, open spaces or minimalist decor. Whether you're updating your living room, kitchen, or bedroom, slider windows bring a touch of elegance and simplicity that can elevate your home's overall aesthetic appeal. The lack of a traditional vertical window frame makes slider windows visually appealing and a great choice for homeowners who prefer an unobstructed view of the outdoors. When fully opened, these windows provide wide, panoramic views, allowing you to enjoy Clearwater's beautiful scenery. Ease of operation. One of the key benefits of slider windows is their ease of operation. Unlike traditional double-hung windows, which require you to lift and lower the window sashes, slider windows open by simply sliding one pane horizontally. This makes them incredibly easy to operate, even for individuals with limited mobility or those who struggle with lifting heavy window sashes. Because there are fewer moving parts, slider windows are also less prone to wear and tear. They are less likely to become stuck or require regular adjustments to open and close smoothly. If you have large windows or hard-to-reach spaces, such as a kitchen sink or a high-rise apartment, slider windows are a practical and functional solution for allowing fresh air into your home. Maximized ventilation. Ventilation is essential in Clearwater, especially considering the city's warm and humid climate. Slider windows are a fantastic choice for improving airflow throughout your home. Since slider windows open horizontally, they provide a larger opening compared to traditional vertically sliding windows. This allows for more air to enter the room, increasing natural ventilation and helping to keep your home cooler during the hot summer months. When placed strategically in rooms like living rooms, kitchens, or bathrooms, slider windows can improve cross-ventilation by allowing air to flow freely from one side of the house to the other. This can help reduce your reliance on air conditioning, lowering your energy bills and improving overall comfort inside your home. Energy efficiency. Given Clearwater's warm, coastal climate, keeping your home cool and comfortable can be a challenge without energy-efficient windows. Slider windows are designed to be energy efficient, helping to regulate your home's temperature while reducing energy consumption. Many modern slider windows are equipped with double-pane glass or triple-pane glass that offers superior insulation compared to single-pane windows. The layers of glass are often filled with an argon gas or krypton gas, which enhances the window's ability to resist heat transfer. This means that during the summer, heat is kept out, and during the winter, warmth is kept inside. Additionally, low emissivity glass coatings are commonly used in slider windows to block harmful UV rays from entering your home. This helps prevent fading of furniture, carpets, and decor while also improving energy efficiency by reducing heat gain in the summer. Space-saving design. For homes with limited space or in areas where you need to maximize available space, slider windows are an excellent option. Since they do not swing open like traditional casement or hinged windows, slider windows do not require clearance space to open fully. This makes them ideal for small rooms, tight spaces, or areas where a traditional window might obstruct furniture or walkways. Slider windows can be installed in tight corners or along narrow walls without impacting the use of the space. This makes them perfect for homes with small gardens, balconies, or patios, where you want a window that offers functionality without taking up too much space. Low maintenance and durability. Slider windows are relatively low maintenance compared to other window styles. Since the window slides horizontally, the mechanism tends to require less regular upkeep. The absence of traditional hinges or moving sashes means that there is less chance of the window becoming misaligned or stuck. Additionally, the weatherproofing seals on slider windows are designed to keep out drafts and moisture, which helps prevent damage from the elements over time. Since vinyl and fiberglass are the most common materials used for slider windows, they are also highly resistant to moisture, making them perfect for Clearwater's coastal climate. These materials are not only durable and long-lasting but also resistant to rotting, warping, and corrosion, reducing the need for frequent maintenance and repairs. Security features. In addition to their functional benefits, slider windows can also be equipped with enhanced security features. Many models come with multi-point locking systems that provide additional protection against break-ins. These locks help secure the window at multiple points along the frame, making it more difficult for intruders to pry the window open. For added security, reinforced frames and impact-resistant glass are available in some slider window models, making them an excellent option for homeowners looking to improve their home's security while still maintaining a stylish design. Conclusion: why slider windows are ideal for Clearwater homes. In Clearwater, where the weather can be hot and humid, choosing the right windows is essential for maintaining comfort and energy efficiency. Slider windows provide a sleek, modern aesthetic while offering superior ventilation, energy efficiency, and ease of operation. Their space-saving design makes them ideal for homes of all sizes, and their ability to improve airflow and reduce energy consumption makes them a smart choice for Clearwater homeowners. If you're looking for an affordable and effective way to upgrade your windows, slider windows are the perfect option for functionality, style, and comfort. Reach out to a professional window installer today and experience the benefits of slider windows in your home.